Private Capital. I'm here at a property in Whittier meeting an experienced flipper. So this flipper is going to be purchasing another property in Whittier, and I received a call yesterday from a realtor in Whittier, and that realtor is representing this flipper is buying a property, not this one, another property in Whittier, and he's at the tail end of an escrow and needs the down payment to finalize his purchase of that other flip. So right now he's going to do an extension and he needs about 15% down. And so he's selling another property, not this one, another one in Opera. He'll have a good amount of money coming, but right now to close on the other property over here, he needs to close like yesterday. So that's where I can come in and help him close on that deal. So I'm going to probably put up the 15% down so he can close on that Whittier property, and he'll need to do this in days. Today's Wednesday, so like we'll need to get this done by next week, which I'll have to really move quickly. But this is where my 30 years of experience as a private hard money lender can get those really difficult loans done. So in this case, it'll probably be like a $70,000 second mortgage. And so anyways, if you're a flipper or realtor, property